Hello, welcome to the UltFone channel. Losing or deleting WhatsApp photos mistakenly on iPhone isn't a surprising thing to us, because men all make mistakes, horses all stumble. However, to our disappointment, we are unable to recall this operation once images are deleted from WhatsApp on iPhone. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find and recover deleted photos from your WhatsApp. Now, let's dive in. Way 1. Use iTunes Backup. Before you start, make sure you have a backup of your WhatsApp. Then you can open iTunes on your computer. Next, connect your iPhone to your computer. Now select your device icon. And then click the Restore Backup option in Backups section of Summary tab. Choose the backup you want to restore. Note that be sure to choose the backup you have backed up your WhatsApp. Otherwise, choosing the wrong backup cannot restore your photos. After restoring, all your data will be overwritten by the backup. Here you need to complete some settings according to the prompts. Okay, let's check it out. Now you can see that your WhatsApp photos have come back. If you don't want everything to be overwritten by backup, just want to recover WhatsApp photos, here is another useful way to help you. Way 2. Use UltFone iOS Data Recovery. UltFone iOS Data Recovery is a professional data recovery tool. Recover more than 35 file types including photos, videos, and WhatsApp. Now, let's try it. Launch UltFone iOS Data Recovery on your computer. Then connect your iPhone to your computer. Go back to UltFone iOS Data Recovery. On the home screen, let's select Backup and Restore Social App. Then select WhatsApp. Here we can view the previous backup files. By doing this, we'll find the iTunes backup in the list. We can even view the content in it. You can browse the data in your backup. To restore these to the phone, make a selection. Then hit the Restore to Device button. If you have existing WhatsApp data on your device, they'll be overwritten in this process. Just make sure you're okay with that, then proceed. It's completed. Let's open WhatsApp and have a look. Now you can see your photos appear on your WhatsApp. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.